This video will explain how an information screen can be connected to an alarm. The purpose of an information screen is to give the operator more detailed information about the alarm and perhaps possible solutions. This same procedure can be used to trigger any type of action, but this video will show an example of displaying a pop-up screen. Let's start by renaming one of the screens by right-clicking on it and selecting Rename. Next, type Pop-up Info and then click on OK. In this case, we want the screen to act as a pop-up. Select the General ribbon tab. Enable the pop-up checkbox. The screen is changed to a pop-up. Click on the Modify Screen Size Position button. The screen can be resized and moved by just dragging it with the cursor. The position is automatically saved. The next step is to add a screen title. We'll type in the text that will be shown in the title bar, in this case, Alarm Information. We will now add a few objects to the screen. First, we add Picture object and select Valve Picture. Now we'll add Text object. The text is changed to Check Valve 1. Finally, let's add a button. This will allow the operator to close the screen. Now change the button's text to Close. Let's change the font color to white and increase the font size. Last, I'll set the shape's fill color to blue. When the operator clicks the button, it should close the pop-up. Therefore, we will set the action on click to close screen. Now we need to connect alarm item to the screen. Open the alarm server, select the alarm item, and click on Action. Select Alarm Event Info Requested, then add Show Screen Action, and finally select our newly created pop-up screen. We can now simulate the application by clicking on the green Run button. Let's simulate the alarm by modifying the tank level. When it exceeds 85%, the alarm is triggered. The operator can now select the alarm and click on the Info button. The set action will now display the pop-up.